नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं सियाल इंडिया में जो कि हो रही है यशोभूमि द्वारका में। वेलकम टू सियाल इंडिया सर, हाउ इज़ योर
Thank you.
एक्सपीरियंस विद सियाल इंडिया दिस टाइम?
So we are representing modern dairies, and this is our first time stall in SIAL. The experience has been very good. The kind of footfall out here is spontaneous and very good. And the expectation we had with the SIAL, the customers meet and B2B meetings is excellent. Thank you.
टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर प्रोडक्ट रेंज।
So we are a dairy based company and set up in 1993. So we are into fresh dairy, we are into nutritional ingredients, we are suppliers of casein, WPC, lactose in India, and we have done exports also.
सो व्हाट आर द प्लान्स फॉर फ्यूचर एक्सपेंशन?
So as of now, we are working on our expanding the business inside India and outside India.
एंड सर, इन योर ओपिनियन हाउ दीज काइंड ऑफ एग्जीबिशंस आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री?
So these kind of meats are actually very good for the domestic market because this gives an opportunity for us to grow worldwide.
थैंक यू सो मच।